Ten migao mar mwandu mantie bolo alias Joho owacho ni migao mare osebedo kalalruok ewi okenge kata kod larruok ewi okenge mag tieko ywaruok ma osemuoch ewi chenro mar kunyo mula e gweng' ma Ikolomani e kaunti ma Kakamega ma bende wach mosire gavana ma Kakamega Fernandes Baraza.
We shall ensure that there is going to be a win-win situation. Nobody, and I want to be very clear, at whatever level, nobody will be sacrificed for the benefit of another. Everybody will be accorded their rightful place. If there's any conversations on, for example, compensation, it shall be done in a manner that is transparent, that stands the test of time, and importantly, gives value for money for the people that are affected.
One of the things we have agreed in this consultative meeting is that we are going to have a structured public participation involving all the key stakeholders, and that any communication going forward will be unified so that we are structured in the way we communicate in order to disseminate information that is factual.
Si kawaida, in fact, hii ni mara ya kwanza sisi kupata nafasi ambayo inazungumzia wachimbaji wadogo. Hao ndio pekee wanatoa dhahabu ile iko Kenya hii kabla kampuni kubwa zimeingia.
Jadbura Mamvita Mohamed